Hello teachers. Today we are going to learn the phonic sound of M, N, O and P. So let's begin. The sound of M is It's For example, monkey. For the M sound, your lips should close. Then the sound of N is It's Touch your tip of the tongue to the roof. It's For example, next. Then the sound of O is O. For example, O, orange. Just round your mouth for the O sound. Then the sound of P is P. It's P. For example, parrot. Parrot. First, lips together and just blow air. Thank you so much.